In this video, we'll be exploring the 5 best air fryer ovens for 2025. Whether you're looking to cook healthier meals, save time, or enhance your kitchen experience, these top models offer a range of features that will elevate your cooking game. Let's dive right in. Number 5. Acekool 5 Quart. Introducing the Acekool 5 Quart Digital Display Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, the all-in-one machine that is about to transform your cooking routine. This 1500-watt air fryer offers 8 cooking presets, making it simple to prepare everything from steak and chicken to seafood and even desserts. No more guessing how your meals are turning out. The Acekool air fryer features a transparent glass window, allowing you to watch your food cook to perfection. With the sleek, user-friendly LED digital touchscreen, you can easily set your desired cooking mode, temperature, and time with just a few taps. The advanced 360-degree hot air circulation ensures your food is evenly cooked with up to 95% less oil, giving you all the flavor of deep-fried meals without the added calories. Safety is also a priority, with built-in overheating protection and automatic shut-off features. The Acekool air fryer is made with premium, food-grade materials that are free from harmful substances like perfluorooctanoic acid and bisphenol A, ensuring healthy cooking. When it comes to cleaning, the durable stainless steel accessories are dishwasher safe, and the dual-layer non-stick coating makes cleanup quick and easy. For healthier, tastier meals, grab your Acekool 5 Quart Digital Display Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo today. Number 4. Balashov Smart Air Fryer. The Balashov Smart Air Fryer is the ultimate kitchen companion, designed to make healthy cooking easy and enjoyable for both experienced cooks and beginners. Featuring a sleek, modern design and a holographic touchscreen, this air fryer offers multiple cooking modes including frying, roasting, and baking. With a generous 7-liter capacity, it is perfect for family meals, eliminating the need for batch cooking. Whether you are preparing crispy French fries or flavorful roasted vegetables, the possibilities are endless. Equipped with a powerful 2400-watt metal panel and a unique bicyclic stereo design, the Balashov Smart Air Fryer ensures even cooking, so your food turns out perfectly every time. The high-definition viewing window allows you to monitor the cooking process, giving you full control over your meal. The air fryer has built-in power failure protection. If there is a power outage, simply remove the basket, and the fryer will automatically shut off. When you are ready to continue, just place the basket back, and it will resume cooking from where it left off, combining safety and convenience. Cleaning is quick and easy, thanks to the removable, dishwasher-safe basket and non-stick surface. The intuitive color screen makes it simple to select your desired cooking mode with just a tap, while the precise temperature control ensures your food is always cooked to perfection. The Balashov Smart Air Fryer is not just another kitchen appliance. It is a way to bring your family together with healthier, quicker meals. Enjoy crispy, delicious, and guilt-free dishes every day. Number 3. Miui 5-liter Air Fryer. The Miui 5-liter air fryer is designed to provide efficient, high-quality cooking with ease. Crafted from premium materials, this air fryer features copper fire-resistant cables and 304 stainless steel heating tubes, ensuring efficient heating and long-lasting durability. Additionally, it is equipped with a multi-layer composite carbon steel explosion-proof basket, built to withstand high temperatures and provide years of use. One of the standout features of the Miui 5-liter air fryer is its advanced temperature control algorithm, which stabilizes heat to ensure consistently perfect and evenly cooked dishes. The dual-channel fan and high-speed airflow system work together to cook your food faster, all while preserving its flavor and nutrients. The convenient viewing window allows you to monitor your food without opening the basket, so you can check your meal's progress without losing heat. Cleaning is simple, thanks to the silicone non-stick coating, which prevents food from sticking and minimizes residue. A quick wipe down is all it takes to prepare the air fryer for your next meal. With a 5-liter capacity, this air fryer is perfect for everything from light snacks to full family meals. Whether you are cooking chicken wings, vegetables, or even desserts, the intelligent temperature control and efficient airflow ensure healthier, faster, and more flavorful results. If you are looking for a high-quality, easy-to-use air fryer with smart features and effortless cleanup, the Miui 5-liter air fryer is a fantastic addition to your kitchen. Number 2. Cosori Pro 2 Air Fryer. The Cosori Pro 2 Air Fryer Oven Combo offers a versatile cooking experience with 12 customizable functions, allowing you to toast, bake, fry, and more. Whether you are cooking chicken, seafood, bacon, or even frozen foods, the Cosori Pro 2 provides a one-touch option for consistently perfect results every time. One standout feature is the ability to save your favorite settings, letting you customize cooking time and temperature for each preset. You can even choose to include or remove the shake reminder, which is especially useful for getting the perfect crispiness on dishes like French fries and chicken wings. Equipped with Adapt IQ technology, the Cosori Pro 2 uses rapid 360-degree air circulation to ensure even heating and deliver that desirable crispy texture without the need for excessive oil. This means you can enjoy healthier meals with deliciously even results every time. The air fryer's 5.8 quart square basket is large enough to fit a 5-pound chicken or enough food for 3 to 5 people. Plus, with a non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket, cleanup is quick and effortless. For recipe inspiration, the Cosori Pro 2 comes with a cookbook featuring 100 chef-crafted recipes. If you are looking to enhance your cooking, Cosori offers additional accessories such as disposable liners, an extra basket, or a complete accessory set. With its compact, modern design, the Cosori Pro 2 air fryer fits seamlessly into any kitchen while offering powerful performance and customizable features, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to prepare healthier meals with ease. Number 1. Breville Smart Air Fryer Pro. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is packed with advanced features to elevate your cooking experience. Powered by the Element IQ system, it includes 6 quartz heating elements and intelligent algorithms, ensuring that heat is directed precisely where it is needed. This technology guarantees a perfect cooking environment every time, and with digital PID temperature control, you will never have to worry about uneven cooking again. One of the standout features is the air fry function, which uses super convection technology to achieve that crispy golden brown texture without excess oil. Whether you are preparing French fries, chicken wings, or vegetables, you can enjoy restaurant-quality meals at home. Additionally, for healthy snacks, the dehydrator function allows you to handle up to 4 trays at once, making it easy to prepare dried fruits, jerky, or vegetable chips. The super convection technology includes 2 fan speeds, giving you better control. The higher speed is perfect for air frying and dehydrating, while the lower speed is ideal for baking and roasting. It also reduces cooking time by up to 30%, allowing you to cook faster without sacrificing flavor. With 13 cooking functions, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is versatile enough to handle anything from morning toast to pizza night or freshly baked cookies. Its spacious interior can accommodate up to 9 slices of bread or a 14-pound turkey. For large meals, batch cooking, or holiday dinners, this oven is up to the task. There you have it, the 5 best air fryer ovens for 2025. Each one brings something unique to the table, from advanced cooking features to convenience. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.